ladder out there on the toss, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours.
Alright, so today we'll be reviewing a 2011 Camaro. This car comes equipped with a V6 automatic gearbox. And what I would like to talk about is right here. I just like how clean this is. Like, there's only 2 on each one. Then the middle tells you your fuel range, what you're in on park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport. But there's more than sport. You see how this says S right here, and this part says M? That's because this car has paddle shifters. You hit one, and then it goes into manual mode. And right here on the heads-up display, as you can see, it has a little box with the number 2 in it, the miles per hour you're at, which I find really cool. And I mean, this is an American muscle car, so you're obviously going to want to burn tires. So traction control is right here, very visible, very easy. Did I talk about any of this? And what I thought was really weird also is right here is the windows, but you don't see anything to lock or unlock the car. Same on that side, which is like really weird. But then if you look right here in the middle, your lock, unlock, hazards, and all this I found extremely weird because I thought the air didn't work for a while. But I didn't realize you can turn the air to whatever you want, but if you don't press one of these, nothing's gonna come out of it. And right here is to get it cold, hot, your seat warmers, all the other things. This car also does come with Bluetooth connectivity, which I found really cool about this. And the reason that this is so clean and it only has like 2 things on each side is because of down here. Here's where you have everything: your battery voltage, car temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure. So yeah, this car is really cool. But the one thing I absolutely hate about it is the visibility, like your blind spot visibility and everything. But this is a muscle car, so it's all right, not that bad. And this car also does come with a sunroof,
which you just found out about today.
Yes, which I just found out about today. And right here, press it, tilt, and then you press it twice and it goes back. And this right here is to control the lights, no light, when a door is open. And this car does come with OnStar equipped hands-free calling also, which is really cool. And right here is where you control all your lights. They're on auto right now, but you can turn them off, high beams, normal, and back to auto. I don't know if you can tell, but right here is the little dash to tell you where you're at. You can also move the steering wheel of this car up, down, as you choose. You can put it back to where it was and lock. Right here are still don't have rights to it. And right here you choose the radio station, click up and down, press it to go to XM, aux, and as I said, the hands-free calling right here. And right here is for the cruise control. To set it, go up, down, the mirrors all right here. And right here, as you see, it says menu. Look right here, which is really cool. Information, oil life, trip 2, trip 1, miles per hour. Yeah, just really cool, really cool. I like this car. Alright, now, by the way, sorry Sophia, but I had to. We're an American Muscle. It's kind of a must. And now to talk about the speed, the handling, and how this car is to drive. Okay, first of all, on speed, you're not lacking any. This thing just goes, and I love it. And it kind of sounds like it has a supercharger when you get it up there in revs. Like, just sounds so good. And the handling on this car, the handling's alright considering this car is American Muscle. Because I mean, you just press that accelerator, the tail goes happy. I mean, there's really no other way to say it. As you saw right there, it's very easy to make this car do a burnout. And the feel of this car, actually, you would think that it's uncomfortable considering it's a sports car or a muscle car, but not really. It's pretty average. It's all right. I mean, I don't mind it. I just wouldn't like to go on very far trips in it because I feel like you'll be uncomfortable after a while of sitting like this, especially because look at this headroom. I can put that much until I'm touching the ceiling, like that, and that is with the seat fully down. If I put it up, I'm gonna be like, now I don't want to be like that.
And how tall are you?
I'm 5'11". And also what I'd like to talk about is just throw it into, hold up, let me stop to do this because I don't want to mess up the gearbox either. So pull to the side, just put it into manual mode, paddle shifters, second gear. Hold up, there's a car coming, let me just let it pass. The transmission on this car is amazing. I mean, I just go there. That's it. This car is amazing. 4,000 RPM, shift. This is a 6-speed gearbox, so it just gets up and goes. Hey, I think that's Darnay Jeremy up there. Should I overtake?
Sure.
Yeah, that is. Haha, overtook him. Oh shit. My head just hit the ceiling again. Oh yeah, this car overall, I would absolutely love to have it. But you wouldn't really have a car in the winter time, considering this is American muscle. Then it's just gonna skid around everywhere. Take that moped guy real quick. Yeah, I mean, and the heads-up display, so you can just look straight at where you're going. There's no need to look down to see if you're breaking the speed limit or anything. Just keep looking straight ahead, and you'll be perfectly fine. Like right now, it tells me I'm in 4th gear, 5th. This car is just amazing. And you have to be extremely careful when you're going on corners. If you give the gas too much, then your car will be completely sideways. Hold up, there's a car coming. 1st gear. No, I'm not gonna say hi to him. 2nd gear. 3rd. 4th. And 5th. This car just gets up and goes. I just love it. And as I said, the transmission is amazing. You just press it, there's no lag whatsoever. It just goes. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the review on this Camaro, because I fucking enjoyed doing it.